Hello, namaskar, Ola. Beautiful people. Hi, my name is Preeti and I'm here to take you to the beautiful world of origami. Origami, as you all know, is a Japanese traditional art of paper folding. And what do you need to dive into this beautiful ocean is just a piece of paper. So, I would like to tell you something about myself. I was introduced to the beautiful world of origami by my mom when I was just 7 in my first standard. And since then, since my childhood, I've been a big fan of paper craft. So, if you want to join my joy train of origami, do enroll in my course. In my course, you will be able to understand the basics of origami and intermediate to advanced levels. It is good for everybody to join origami, but I prefer for kids above 6 years of age, and adults can always join in. So, do join my course. We'll have a great time for sure. Bye bye and see you.